Ladies and gentlemen, we are unboxing something extremely spectacular. This, obviously, the new IWC box, which is pretty cool, magnetized facing outward. And are you ready for this? The 150th anniversary edition IWC, big pilot, big date, 8-day manual wind, classic IWC folding clasp. And there at the back you can see the 8-day power reserve window, 150th year edition. And the major of this watch is it is number 1 of 150. This watch is technically supposed to be in a museum, or Mr. Johann Rupert himself had this to be his allocation. Full box of papers, little plaque there stating the big pilot watch, 150th edition, and full box books and papers. Enjoy.